Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Mr. Decker. We're on lesson 6 in the code.org Express unit, and we're going to be making some sprites today. Let's go for it. So, on this, we have a virtual pet. We're going to drag some objects to the dog and see how it reacts. All right, so we click run first here, and let's go ahead and feed the dog. All right, so he barks. There's like a little whistle sound and a bark. And then the tennis ball makes him spin when you. All right, we'll finish right there. Can I move anything around with the arrows? No, you just have to click and drag stuff. All right. A customized greeting card. This program will ask you a couple questions and then create a customized greeting message for you. Okay. So we've got this present that's growing at a constant rate. Who's having a birthday? Um, let's see. Who's having a birthday? Let's just say, I don't know. Dahlia's having a birthday. Check. How old will they be? We'll say they're going to be 1, just a baby. Happy birthday, Dahlia. You're turning 1. Oh, that's cool. Reset, run. So if I did like Steve is turning 15. Okay, cool. I like that. That is neat. All right, like an interactive little program, interactive little card. All right, let's see. This robot will ask you questions and remember what you type. Type your answers and have a conversation with X9. Ooh, am I talking to an AI? Is this like ChatGPT? Hello, I'm X9. What is your name? My name is Mr. Decker. Check. It's nice to meet you, Mr. Decker. How old are you? Oh, that's a private question. I am 38. All right. Wow, you're 38 too. How about that? My favorite color is blue. Oh, cool. It changed the background to blue. Interesting. Anything else to it? No, I don't think so. Let's finish there. That's cool. How did they do that? All right. This program will ask you to enter some words and then use those words to tell you a silly story. Oh, so it's like an ad lib. Okay. Enter an adjective. An adjective, an adjective, an adjective. Let's see. Adjective, colorful, right? Isn't an adjective a descriptive word? Let's make sure. Whoop, new tab. What is an adjective? There we go. Word or phrase, naming an attribute, added to or grammatically related to a noun. Examples, a word modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Yeah. So colorful what? Just colorful. Let's see. If you're hosting a party, make sure to plan lots of colorful games. Okay. Enter an object. Let's see. Soccer ball. Enter a body part. Elbow. Enter a number. 27. All right. Okay, so the story is if you're hosting a. Whoop. What happened? Oh, okay. I minimized it accidentally. If you're hosting a party, make sure to plan lots of colorful games. Quit doing that. First, get people warmed up with a round of musical soccer ball. Next, have them balance while standing on one elbow. And then finally go outside and have a 27-legged race. I don't know. Maybe we're centipedes in this story. That's funny. All right. Bubble 5. Fill up your own unique aquarium with a variety of things with their own behaviors. Okay. So let's run it. Okay, creature, yeah. Let's add a turtle. Let's add a fish. We haven't used this guy. And then go to other, and we can add some coral, shell, well, this guy, crab, Hermie. Let's just get everything in here. Why not? My aquarium's the coolest because it's got everything, man. All right, finish. Let's get rid of this. Continue. All right, bubble 6 here. This is 3 games in 1. Choose your character, then use the arrow keys to collect all the objects. The Great Collector Game. This is 3 games? Okay. I guess we'll be the bunny first, or whatever that is. All right, now we're collecting carrots. Get all these carrots. Okay, you win. Your time was 6 seconds. Let's be the cat unicorn. Whoa. Okay, I did that one in 4 seconds. Let's be the rocket ship. Whoa, oh, whoa. The steering in this one is weird. Okay. All right, there we go. That one took me 8 seconds. All right, we'll finish there. Continue. Yeah, we haven't done any coding yet. What's up? Build a computer. Connect all the parts and figure out how to turn on the computer. Okay, so first we need to plug this thing in. We need a mouse. And what is this? Oh, a memory stick. All right. Oh, we need a keyboard. We need a processor, and we need a screen. There we go. Oh, a screen. It's upside down, I guess. Uh-oh. All right. Oh, there we go. Clicking on the keyboard gets it turned on, and we've got code.work pulled up, apparently. That's fun. All right, let's do it again. Why not? All right, let's get the screen on here. Keyboard, processor, plug it in. Wait, memory. Finally, let's plug it in. All right, and then turn it on. Cool. That's fun. All right, continue. Easiest PC build ever. All right, making sprites. To make a sprite, open the sprites category of the toolbox and drag out this block. Oh, we've got that icon in the workspace, and that means that this level is part of a bigger project. And so everything that you do on this bubble is going to be saved for future bubbles. So keep that in mind. All right. So we're going to go to the sprites drawer, click on sprites right there to get that to open. And I'm going to get my strawberry sprite out here. All right, anything else? Make a new sprite block under the when run block. We did that. Choose a costume for your sprite and press the run button when the code is finished. I can choose a background as well. I don't know if those backgrounds make sense for a strawberry. Oh, okay. We've got lots of options. Let's get a ship. And then if I put it sailing on the, not under the sea, we can click this little button right there, and let's get it on the water there. There we go. Now we're happy. All right, and click run when we're finished. What is this world drawer? Oh, okay. Got it. Continue. Bubble 9. Each sprite has a location. You can set that location by clicking the pin on this block. Okay, so we've done this. But you click on this pin, and then you can tell your sprite exactly where you want it to be by just dragging, and then finally just putting it where you want it. Press run when you're finished with your code. Yep, it's where I want it to be. So run, continue. Now let's add even more sprites to this program. Click the image to the right to expand it. All right, there's that image. Make 4 sprites. Choose any costumes you like. Position each one in a different corner of the screen like on the image. Okay, so, all right, so we're going to have to put some specific things on here. Banana doesn't really make sense. We'll put a little hermit crab or shark. Perfect. Put a shark on here. Let's change his location. Wants us to put things in corners. Not a flying shark. Put him down here. Let's grab another sprite. put a new one in here. Probably not a banana. Anything in here that flies? Yeah, there's a butterfly. There we go. Whoa. Can I make him smaller by chance? No. Okay. Well, back out here, click on that. Put him up in this corner. I'm going to put a sun up here. I'm going to go a little bit further with it and put 5 sprites on here. Let's put a sun up here. Click here. That's a big old sun. And then one more sprite down in the bottom right corner. We'll put a little hermit crab. Why not? Or a huge hermit crab, comparatively speaking, to the shark. All right, so we've got 5 sprites on here. You can ask us to do, put one in each corner. Sprites have more properties, including a size that can be set with code. Here are 2 sprites, but one is larger than the other. Use a new block in the sprites category to change the size of the second sprite. So this is the second sprite. Go to the sprite store, set size, and we will change the size to default sprite is 100, so choose any other number. Let's see what 300 does. Yeah, I like that. Make it big. All right. Let's run it and continue. Bubble 12. I like that we're actually coding now. The first few bubbles, we weren't coding at all. Behaviors. Sprites can have their own behaviors, which are actions they will do over and over while the program runs. To give a sprite a behavior, you need to use a sprite begins block with a behavior block. So let's find a sprite begins block. Imagine it's here. Set size, behaviors. Okay, sprite begins. So we've got our hermit crab. What do we want him to do? Let's make him spin left. And connect it, press run, explore different behaviors. Challenge, have your sprite begin with 2 different behaviors at the same time. Ooh. All right, so that just makes him spin left. Let's try this multiple behavior thing. I'm interested. Move north. Okay, that's funny. It's like he just got launched into outer space. Behaviors. Let's make him shrink. That's fun. He shrinks. He gets so small he just gets out of existence. Let's see. All right, continue. Bubble 13. We're going to be making a desert scene. Okay, fun. Okay, add code to create a desert scene with different sprites. And you can click the picture to the right for an example. All right, so we've got an airplane, a sun, and 2 cacti down here. Cacti, the plural for cactus. Make 4 sprites. Choose any costumes you like. Position each one in a different corner of the screen. Change the size of your sprites to make your final image more realistic. All right, let's make this desert scene. I'm going to toggle. Oh, I can't toggle the instructions. No, I can get them out of the way, though. All right, sprites. We're going to make a sun sprite for sure. Let's see. We have him right in the middle up here. I know it told me to put sprites in the 4 corners. I don't want to. Okay. Yep. Sprites. I do want him to be big. Let's get some more sprites on here, though. I like that I can set the size of things now, though. All right. So we're a little bit limited here. Let's use a red airplane, like the Red Baron. We'll have him flying a little bit low down here. And I'm going to use this size. Let's set the size of the plane. Yeah, 50 is good. And then let's throw in some cacti. Cause why not? He's definitely not going to be right there. I'm going to put the cactus down here, like it's right next to the road. All right, and closer to us. And then let's put another cactus. Kind of go with this illusion that we have actual distance happening here. Let's see. Make a new sprite. We're going to do another cactus. We're going to make this one a lot smaller. Set size of the cactus. Oh no. Can I? There we go. Okay. So I understand what I need to do. All right. You're going back here, and I'm going to make you even smaller, like 20. Yeah. Sweet. And I'm going to change its location right next to the road here. And then this one that's closer to us, right here. Cool. I like that. And then I want to have this airplane chasing another one. So let's find another airplane to use. We'll use a green one. And we'll put him right here, getting chased by the red one. And I need to make him smaller as well. There we go. Cool. I like it. We'll run that. Oh, oh no. It's forcing me to put things in the corners. Okay. If you really want me to, we'll put the sun up in the left-hand corner then. Now let's see if it lets us pass. Nope. All right. Top right. We'll grab one of our airplanes. This is really forcing me to. There we go. It accepted that. All right. It was really forcing me to put things in corners when I really wanted to just make my own scene. All right, sprite sizes. Code to create a strawberry and banana sprite is below, but the sprites are the wrong size. Change the size of the sprites so the banana is bigger than the strawberries. Okay, we can do that. Add 2 set size blocks to the program. So here, set size. We're going to set the size of the strawberries to 50. That's fine. And then we're going to make the banana way bigger. Whoop. There we go. Change the order of that. Let's set the. Why didn't. Oh, because this is. I see. So we'll put this here. Maybe. Okay, so the order of the code really matters. So your set size has to come after you've made the sprite. That makes sense. And then the banana, 200. Big banana. All right. Make the strawberry sprite smaller. We did that. And we set the banana sprite bigger. We did that. All right. Very good. Bubble 15. We're going to animate a sailing ship. Yeah. We're going to make a ship sprite and have it sail across the water. So this, we're going back to square one here. Top of the water. Boop. There you go. And then we're going to move the sprite so it sits upon the water, make the sprite move across the screen with a behavior. Okay, so let's actually put it over here so it can glide to the right. So behaviors, sprite begins, and it's going to move east or move right. Run. There it goes. Oh, very quickly. The wind's really blowing. Keep playing. So the bonus, use a second behavior such as wobbling or fluttering to make the ship seem more lifelike as it moves. So behaviors, let's make it flutter. Let's see what that looks like. Oh yeah, that's great. I like that. And then what does wobbling look like? Just to make sure, I like fluttering best. Wobbling, where are you? Whoop, maybe I can't. There it is, at the very bottom. Then I like the fluttering better for sure. Behavior. Well, keep playing. Fluttering. Fluttering's perfect. Nice, beautiful day at sea, Captain Nemo. Hopefully we don't run into old Moby. All right. Breezy day. There is already code to create the sprites. We're going to add to this program to give each sprite a behavior. All right. Do this. Add a sprite begins block for each sprite costume in your program. Pick behaviors for each sprite. All right, we're going to make the cloud move across the screen. So behaviors, cloud. We're going to make you move across the screen. So we'll make you move east. We're going to make the sun spin. Behaviors, where is spinning? Okay. And then finally, we're going to make the butterfly wander around. So not locations, but sprites, not setting the size, but goodness gracious. There we go. Butterfly, we're going to make you wander. Where is wandering? Down here. All right. Use additional behaviors to make the butterfly appear more lifelike. Let's run it for now. All right. Yeah. Another behavior for the butterfly. What could we make the butterfly do extra that would make it more realistic? Growing, wandering, wobbling. Wobbling might be a good fluttering. Sounds perfect for a butterfly, right? Oh yeah. Perfect. One thing about butterflies is you hardly ever see them fly in a straight line. All right, free play, make a scene. Now it's your turn to create whatever you want. Do this. Add sprites, give them costumes and locations, set the size of your sprites to look the way you want, and bring your sprites to life with behaviors. All right. Is this cheese? It is cheese. I'm definitely setting my background to cheese. Okay, locations, world, sounds, locations, behaviors, sprites. All right. What do we want to put on our cheese scene? French fries. More cheese? Bread. All of this stuff goes good with cheese, right? Candy, cupcakes, sodas, French fries, ice cream. Let's just be random. Let's put some bread on here. Some bread with our cheese. All right, and then location for the bread. You just hang out right up here, buddy. You just be a bread. Behavior of the bread. Let's make our bread do something. The bread is gonna move east and loop. How's that look? Oh, okay. I like that. Let's put another sprite up here. We'll make another one. A taco, naturally. A little bit hard to see, but I like tacos, so we're going with the taco. We'll just put you right here. Why not? Behaviors. What do we want the taco to do? Taco? Behavior? Move west and loop? Why not? Run it. All right. Beautiful. Okay. Let's get how many sprites did it want us to use? Doesn't even say. All right. Well, sprites. Make a new sprite. Let's grab the. We need a drink, right? Taco, bread. We need a drink. Let's go. Behaviors, sprite begins. What do we want our drink to do? Maybe jittering. Maybe the drink just jitters. Let's change its location. Put him down here. Run it. There we go. Jittering looks kind of more like a pulsation. Just constantly getting bigger and smaller. All right, let's finish. I like those looping effects, though. All right, now it's your turn to create whatever you want. Another free play. This time we're going to create a underwater scene, I guess. Set the size of your sprites to look the way you want. Bring your sprites to life with behaviors. All right, let's go for it. Make a fish. I haven't used the eel yet, so why not? And let's give him a behavior. I want to make him wander and wobble, maybe. Just wander around. Oh, whoops. Didn't mean to click that. I'm going to also make him wabble. Behaviors, wobble. Run it. Yeah, that's good. And then let's get some more sprites on here. Let's have a full-on aquarium here. We don't have a bottom, so a turtle makes sense. Not on top of the eel, so we're going to move him. I'm going to make the eel a little bit smaller. So sprites, set size of my eel. Let's do like 75. That'll work. And then I'm going to make my turtle pretty big. Let's see. Sea turtles just are ginormous. Oh, I can set speed? Bruh. And, 200. Big turtle. Oh, whoops. Yep, gotta choose the turtle here. Yeah, big turtle. All right, and that's interesting. Movement direction, rotation, speed. Huh. Okay, behaviors. Let's make this turtle behave. Behave yourself, turtle. My goodness. We're gonna make him move east and loop. There we go. He's just cruising. Let's make him. Can I make him go slower? I want to try that out. Let's set the turtle's speed and see what happens. If I set it to 50, that might be just the normal speed. Let's slow him down, see what 20 speed does. I don't think that slowed it down. What about 5? I don't know that the speed is doing anything. Let's throw in another sprite though. This time, this green fish will look good. Or this orange fish. I don't know if I've used him. This scary looking fish might work. Let's give him a new location though. Put him like right here-ish to start. And then what do we want him to do? This guy? Behavior? We're going to make him grow. Just constantly grow. That eye just looms large. Bigger and bigger and bigger. Until it's eventually just going to take over the entire screen, right? All right. Here. Let's go to bubble 19. Free play, make another scene. Now it's time for you to create whatever you want. We're going to make some burbs, I guess. All right. So sprites, make a new burb. I'll put you over here, burb. Definitely going to have you looping and flying. So behaviors, this sprite is going to fly. Let's see, we'll make him fly kind of smooth. Let's see, wandering, wobbling, moving east and looping. That one again. And then let's see what other sprites we've got here. I feel like there was a lot. Yeah. We'll put a sun in here. Let's put him in the top right. And let's make that sun spin. Behavior, sprite begins, sun, and let's make him spin. Good. Beautiful. All right. Let's lower this bird down so he doesn't crash into the sun. And then let's add one more sprite here. What do we want? A helicopter would be fun. A moving cloud. Oh, a pelican. Of course, a pelican. All right. And then let's change his location to start. Yeah, we're going to be down here hunting for fish, although he doesn't look too excited about hunting for fish today. And then let's give him a behavior. We're going to have him also going to the right. We're going to add, let's see, growing, shrinking, wandering, spinning left, wobble. We'll make him wobble, and he's going to be moving right. So this guy moving east and looping. Run. There you go. He's wobbling because he's carrying a very heavy load in that elastic beak of his that he's got. Big scoop of fish. All right. Free play. Make a scene. All right. We're in space. Okay. So I guess all these last bubbles are all free plays. That's fun, though. I like it. All right. Sprites, of course. Oh, yeah. We got to have a rocket ship. For sure. Actually, let's go with like a very traditional looking alien spaceship. And let's put that down here. And let's give it some behaviors. I want this to wander around. Just like that. Very good. And then another sprite. Let's get this rocket ship looks pretty cool. Let's get this in here. And we're going to make this one spin as it wanders around. Select it. Behaviors. Let's make him spin to the left and wander around. All right. So he has two behaviors. Spinning out of control. And then let's see, what else could we do? Locations, behaviors, sprites, world. Let's get an alien in here, because why not? I like this pink alien. It'll show up real good. And let's give him a location. Put him up there. And I want him to move west and loop. Oh, whoops, I forgot to grab the begins block. Snap that in. Grab the pink alien again, moving west and looping, and let's give him a, let's see. If I make him move south while he moves west and loops, I want to see what that does. That could be interesting. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, is he ever coming back? He may never come back. Okay, so now we know what that does. All right. Level 21. Create what you want. All right. Let's see what sprites we have available to us before we go crazy. All right, we got some animals and a couple of bugs. Fox for sure. Let's see what backgrounds we have. Let's put them in more of a nature kind of environment. And then let's give him a behavior. I want him to jitter. Whoops, keep playing. And I'm going to have him move north. Why not? Behaviors. Sprite begins. Fox. Move north. Run. All right. So he escapes. Is there a move north and loop? No. So maybe I don't want him to move north because I don't want him to go off the screen. Let's see. We'll just have him move west or move east and loop since he's facing east. There you go. He's just traveling right along. And then we will grab another thing. Let's see. Let's have him chase a rabbit. Oh, we're not setting the size though. We're making a new one. And we're going to put him right in front of the fox. And we're going to make him smaller. There we go. Change his location just a little bit so he's on the same plane. And then behavior, he is going to run east and loop as well. And he's going to also do some jittering. And what else? What else can I make him do? I want to make him seem like he's kind of scared, right? Wobbling? Probably wobbling. That would probably work. There we go. Yeah. Sweet. All right, let's finish. Continue. Last one. Now it's your turn to create whatever you want. Add sprites, give them costumes, set the sizes, bring your sprites to life with behaviors. Do we have more behaviors? Or this is the same ones we've been using. All right. So backgrounds. Let's go to the backgrounds. Oh, new background. Yeah, we got a lot of backgrounds, so. All right. We haven't been in a cave yet, so why not? I like this ice cave. Done. All right, back to the costumes. New costume. Okay, backgrounds. I see. Code. So here, right. Sprites. Oh, okay. Costumes. I see. I have to add costumes now. We can be playing video games in our cave, but let's get some. Let's get a monster in this cave for sure. Let's see. Let's get a good guy and a bad guy. So we'll get a skeleton dude in here and a ranger lady and a mage. Why not? Let's get what else would be a bad guy? Here's another skeleton. Perfect. All right. Perfect. Done. All right. So there's our costumes we're going to use. We've got, oh, okay. Let's get you in here. Let's get all of our sprites on here. Let's get the good guys first. Let's put the good guys over here on the left-hand side. Put you in the back. Put you slightly ahead. Oh, they also need to stand on the ground, not in the ground, right? Put you right there. Get you right here. Let's make you both a little smaller. Maybe 25. Oh, whoops. No wonder. There we go. No, 25 is way too small. 50. Enter. 50 is also very, very small. 75. Enter. That's good. 75 works. And then we're going to make our Ranger 75 as well. Same size. Here we go. Now we can move you ahead a little bit. Here you go. Now let's get our skeletons in here. And we're going to have to set their sizes as well. I hope I can flip these. Can I flip them? I can crop them, but I can't flip them. Dang. Man, for my scene to work, I need to be able to flip them. Anyway. Well, maybe our ranger and our mage are sneaking up on the skeletons. We'll say that. Why not? Here's this guy with the axe, and then another sprite, and this one's going to be our guy with the sword, and we'll put him right behind him. And then, yeah, we'll have the good guys chasing the bad guys, because why not? All right, so now let's set their behaviors. So we're going to set the behavior for our mage. We're going to set the behavior for our ranger. We're going to set a behavior for our 2 skeleton sprites as well. All right. Okay, sweet. All right, let's set all these behaviors. They're all going to loop and move east. And then we have, and that will give the desired effect of having our good guys chase the bad guys. Sweet. All right, I'm happy with that. And that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this one. There's a lot of creative opportunities in this one. I had a lot of fun. I hope you had fun as well. I want to keep playing. I just want to see if there's anything that I might have missed. No, we're good. All right, sweet. That's it. I'll see you next time for lesson 7. This one had a lot of bubbles to it.